Hey, it's Hamish Mackay, CEO and co-founder here at AutoEditing.com, and this is our new One Click Upsell. You may have seen this page before. It happens immediately after checkout, and it's called the One Click Upsell. Before the customer lands on their confirmation page, we can flash a product recommendation or a group of product recommendations and let them know that they've got a special offer before their order's complete. You can give the customer an exclusive discount, a limited time to make the purchase to create urgency, and then we'll load through the product recommendation and give them a simple pay now button. When after they click it, it will instantly charge their card and immediately add the product to the existing order. They do not have to re-enter their payment information. That's why this works so well. That's why our clients love it. It's a fantastic way to grow your AOV, and here is how you can set it up in just a few clicks. Open up the Order Editing app and head to our new Order Upsell section. Click Create Strategy in the top right-hand corner. This is the word that we use to describe different personalization logics that you might launch for different upsells. And you're looking for the one-click AOV booster, the one that we recommend. Click Use Template, and this will pre-fill some information for you, and then you can make adjustments as needed. And I might call this one if T, then UDI. What I'm going to do first is add a rule to find if the customer has bought the specific t-shirt that I'm conditionally looking for, and I'll do products in cart. And then I'll select a specific product. Let's do this t-shirt, for example. This way, if a customer checks out and they have this product in their cart, I can then take an action specific to that logic. I'm going to add an additional condition though to make sure they haven't already bought the product that I'm going to recommend, the UDI. So I'm going to add products not in cart, select a product, and then find the avocado UDI. Now that this is all set, the customer can't have this in cart, they have to have this in cart, and then we're going to take an action. I can now set up my product modules. This is the word we use to describe the products that you're recommending. And you have a few options here, like a group of products or related products or upsell items that they already have in their cart. But I'm going to do a single product upsell, select that, and then let's configure it for the UDI that I want to upsell. And then I can do custom offer text as well. For example, last chance to score our bestseller at an unbelievable discount. And I can save that, and it's pretty much all set. The last step is just to add a discount if you are looking to offer a post-purchase discount exclusively on this item. And let's make that 20%. And you'll see it'll automatically generate a discount code for you. But I'm going to go ahead and save this and publish it. And then my first strategy, if they buy that t-shirt but not the UDI, then let's upsell the UDI at 20%, is all set. The last step now is to turn it on. And it's really easy to do so. Head to Shopify settings and go to your checkout settings. This is ultimately part of your checkout. But instead of customizing your checkout profile, scroll down and you'll find a specific setting called the post-purchase page. It'll currently be configured as none. If you change this to order editing, this will publish the upsell on your storefront. For any time a customer qualifies for a strategy you create, that post-purchase upsell, that one-click upsell will show to them. So if I turn this on and did a checkout now, for example, but I didn't meet those conditions, I wouldn't see the order editing upsell. But if I did check out and meet those conditions, I would see the upsell. If you'd like to just show a generic upsell to everybody, create a default baseline strategy that has no conditions. Let's upsell this product to everybody at 10% off and really easily grow our AOV. A quick win. You can then build off of that with specific strategies like the one I created in this video and gradually get more and more personalized over time. And ultimately what will happen in your dashboard, you'll see all of the different strategies you create and you'll see the revenue and conversion rate by them, and you can gradually optimize this over time. If you have any questions or you'd like help with this though, just reach out to us. We've got intercom in the bottom right hand corner, and my email as always is hamish@orderediting.com.